Several students, same test score. But only few of them truly learned despite getting A's on their biology exam. In fact, this reveals a fundamental problem. Excelling in the test requires more memorization than reasoning. The students memorized every definition perfectly. Photosynthesis, 6CO2 plus 6H2O plus light energy equals sign C6H12O6 plus 6O2E, but ask them why plants in their grandmother's basement are dying and they're stumped.
I know the formula. I just don't understand why it's not working here.
But other students, they might take longer to recall the exact formula, but they understand the why. They see that basement plants lack light, connects it to energy production, and solves the problem.
Without enough light, the plant can't make the glucose it needs for energy. That's why it's wilting.
This memorization trap doesn't just hurt test scores, it creates a generation unprepared for real challenges. In careers requiring innovation, problem-solving, and adaptation, pure memorizers hit walls.
We need to figure out why our customer retention dropped 15% this quarter.
I know all our retention strategies from the manual.
Let me analyze the data patterns and customer feedback to identify the root causes.
One employee regurgitates what they memorized. The other investigates, analyzes, and adapts. The fix isn't eliminating memorization. Facts matter. It's teaching students to think with what they know. Ask why and how. Encourage explanation. Reward reasoning, not just recall.
Don't just tell me the answer. Walk me through your thinking.
Well, if this happens, then that means...
In the age of AI, people will be rewarded based on what they critically think rather than what they recall.